Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Knowledge. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest financial insights. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of day trading. We're going to break down the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right path for you. Let's get started. Section 1, Introduction of Day Trading. First off, what is day trading? Day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. Unlike traditional investing, where you hold assets for a long time, day traders aim to capitalize on short-term market movements. Section 2, Pros of Day Trading. Let's start with the pros of day trading. There are quite a few perks that attract people to this fast-paced world. 1. Potential for high returns. Day trading can offer high returns in a short period. With the right skills and strategies, traders can potentially make significant profits. 2. Independence and flexibility. You can work from anywhere, anytime. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a trading platform. 3. Thrill and excitement. For those who love a good adrenaline rush, day trading can be exhilarating. The constant movement and quick decisions keep the day lively. 4. Learning opportunity. Day trading can be a fantastic way to learn about the markets, economics, and financial strategies. Section 3, Cons of Day Trading. Now let's talk about the cons because, like any profession, day trading has its downsides. 1. High risk. The market can be volatile and you can lose money just as quickly as you make it. It's not uncommon for day traders to experience significant losses. 2. Stressful and time-consuming. Day trading requires constant monitoring and quick decisions, which can be stressful and exhausting. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. 3. Requires significant capital. To be successful, you often need a large amount of capital. This can be a barrier for many people looking to start. 4. Fees and costs. There are costs associated with day trading, including transaction fees and taxes, which can eat into your profits. So, is day trading for you? It depends. It's a double-edged sword that offers both incredible opportunities and significant risks. If you're considering day trading, make sure to do thorough research, practice with a demo account, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Until then, stay smart and stay financially savvy.